Hey, this is Gravel Girl, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how to navigate around our website. So, first off, go to dirtyfreehub.com or .org, both of them work, and go ahead and select the state that you would like to travel to. In this case, I'm going to pick Oregon, given it's my hometown. And this pulls you up to our general map, and you'll see the 8 zillion routes that we have listed for Oregon. On the top, you'll see the 5-star and the training routes. So the red are all of our 5-star routes, and the black are the training routes. Now, what's really cool is if you zoom in or out, the routes below are all of the route guides that you can go ahead and click straight over to that. And clicking in will allow you to shorten that list out. So now we just see that we have Bonanza and Dark Skies on because that's what's on our map. So that's a pretty handy little feature. But what's super cool is go back up to here and see this thing called filters. This is something everybody misses, but it's really neat. This allows you to select, okay, I want to only look at 5-star routes. I want to look at training routes, bike packing routes. Development routes are the routes that we have not ridden. Some of you are comfortable with that, but you really do need to be an advanced rider to select those. So let's just look at our 5-star routes. I don't need to do advanced. Let's see, I'll take moderate. 291 miles might seem a little bit much for me, so I'm going to bring it down to 50 miles. And 4,000 feet of gain would be good enough for me. Get really specific, 4,390. And then we also have a button for if you only want to see e-bike friendly routes. Okay, so that really does start narrowing things down. Look at, we're only looking at the 5-star routes. And the ones that are moderate minus. So that was the big key that took out a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and reset this and apply it. So you can see you can play around with that filter. Now, the next thing that's really cool is this toggle marker right here. This lets you toggle between whether it has pins or map overlays. So you can see how handy that is. Let's actually drill down into an area. Let's pretend that we want to go out to the Ochos. And I'd like to see how these, where are these routes? Okay, I know this route starts in Mitchell. This one goes here. How do they really overlap with each other? Okay, so voila, there you go. What's really neat is you can also click on them. You just need to get it to where, there you go. There you go. 6-shooter. So this tells me all about the 6-shooter route. And then I can click over here and it'll take me out to the full route guide. Anyways, I hope that was helpful for you. It should help you to both create new routes or just create a better mental map of the routes that we have. Thanks.